I'm Keri Glassman, integrative registered dietitian, nutritionist, and founder of Nutritious Life and the Nutritious Life Studio. And I want to know, have you registered for my free workshop tomorrow, September 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time? This workshop is for all of you people who are super passionate about nutrition and wellness. Maybe you're already in the field of nutrition and wellness and you're looking to up-level your career. You're feeling stuck. You're lacking confidence. You're lacking direction. This workshop is for you. Or perhaps you're passionate about nutrition and wellness. You're thinking about making that career change, but you don't know where to go to begin. This workshop is for you. And I'm doing something I've never done before. If you show up live to this workshop, I am giving away so you will be entered if you show up live to win a certification, an entire certification. So that means my entire Become a Nutrition Coach program, which normally costs $6,000, I'm giving away to one lucky winner. So click that link, register. I want to see you there. Come hang with me tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Eastern Time.